So the recipe that Jerry and Julissa are going to be preparing today is a rainbow ceviche, which sounds absolutely delicious. As you can see, we have the ingredients here available for you to take a look at. Some fresh produce that has already been prepped. You'll notice we have avocados here, lots of citrus. If you're familiar with the ceviche recipe, one of the primary ingredients is lots of lemon or lime juice. We also have some avocado to use as a topping after that. The wonderful thing about a ceviche is that there are so many recipes that you can pretty much customize and add any fresh produce that you have available in your refrigerator. So there's no right or wrong way. The only recommendation that I would make is to always use a fresh citrus, a fresh lemon or lime juice. That is the way to go. Bottled may not give the same flavor. Fresh is always better. So some of the health benefits of the ceviche, since we're discussing right now, it's very low in carbohydrates because the main ingredients are your lean protein from the fish and your fresh produce. With lots and lots of citrus, lots of lemon juice. You've got some avocados here, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Our tomatoes and our citrus and our bell peppers up here in the front, high in vitamins A and C, which is wonderful for your immune system, to help boost your immune system. We also have cilantro up here in the front, rich in vitamin K. And so most of our vegetables here abundant in our area and are a wonderful way to add and to incorporate more vegetables into your daily meal.
Thank you so much, Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association and Happy Healthy Valley, for having us today. I'm going to be very honest. I'm very appreciative that you all invited myself and my lovely wife, Julissa, to do this. But the reality is I am not a very good cook in the kitchen. So this has nothing to do with me. I am merely just the side entertainment today. My lovely wife, Julissa, will be taking you through how to make this great dish. So I hope you all enjoy it. So without further ado.
So they say that most things are inspired by a home and love. So babe, you take credit for some of this. All this color and stuff.
Thanks.
I'd like to say it's reflective of our family, absolutely. But yeah, in our family, we like to definitely enjoy food. We enjoy time together. We enjoy the kitchen together. We have teenagers, so they're not joining us today. But we're also very big on enjoying the fruit of the valley, right? Like enjoying what it gives us. And we're so blessed in the Rio Grande Valley to have like all this stuff. So yeah, today we're gonna enjoy something that our family enjoys. What, when we go to the beach? What else?
Yeah, on some fun day Sundays.
Yeah. The hot summer days, kind of like what we're feeling with springtime coming around, and using all this abundance. So something light, healthy, and delicious. So let's get started. So first of all, as far as the fish goes, we're going to be working with 4 fillets of fish. And the fish that we're using today, there's different fish you can use. We're going to use what's called swai, and it's versatile. It's a very light white fish. That's what you want, something light and white. And the size will look something like this. So we're going to use about 4 fillets. And this is great because it's pre-packaged individually and it's already defrosted. So we just need to open this up. You want to do that?
Sure.
And just let we have our trash can back here. So anytime you have a cooking party.
We're not throwing it on the floor.
Anytime you have a cooking party, I recommend have your trash can right, or just cooking. Have it ready so you could just whoosh, so you feel a professional.
All right. So how many people does this feed?
So this is we're a family of 4, and this is more than enough for our family of 4. So think of a fillet per family member. So we're working with 4 fillets, and go ahead and
put
just
it on.
that.
This is not the veggie.
Well, we can replace it.
Okay.
So we want to make sure we're just thinking about our cutting boards, since we're cutting some fish that's raw. And we're just going to slice it very thin. So, babe, you can do it. Or we could do it together. Or you could do it.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you say. You're the boss.
Okay. So with the fillet, so when you're slicing your raw fish, Some people may say, what if it's a little frozen still?
Should
That's
probably turn it.
That's probably better because it's easier to cut. The swai fillet doesn't have any bones in it. That's cool. And when it cooks, it has a very shrimpy texture, actually, very light and fresh. So when you cut your fish, I recommend, what we like to do is to cut it as small as possible so that it evenly cooks in the juices of your citrus. So babe, you're doing a real good job.
Thanks. Swai, how do you spell that?
SWAI.
And where do you find it in the grocery store?
You can go to the frozen food section where they have the fresh seafood. They also have it fresh, but like I said, I like to get it frozen because they're individually sealed, these particular ones. And I like it when it's still a little frozen because it's easier to cut. But you can use tilapia with this, orange roughy, I believe that's how you pronounce it, a light white fish. And again, this one it's affordable, it's yummy, it's light.
You want me to cut the whole thing?
Yes, we're doing it all. So in this platter, you're going to need a nice casserole dish, or maybe you have a long, kind of like Tupperware dish with the lid you can use. And we're just going to be, these are the other 3 fillets that have already been cut. So Jerry is going to add that last fillet to these. So so far, this is 3 fillets. As you can see, it's quite a lot, and that's without all of the yummy veggies on top. So yeah, babe, we're just gonna add that here.
So I'm never in the kitchen. Am I cutting this correctly?
Yeah.
Like, is
so
this
you cut
knife
it this
technique?
way. Yeah, it's good.
All right.
So the fish right now is it's very cold, but it's defrosted completely. So it's a very, again, there's no bones. It's a very delicate white fish. So you're doing a great job there. You're fine.
Thanks.
Nice. Again, just nice and thin. We don't want it too thick because we want it to cook thoroughly. A lot of people, I think, are intimidated by ceviche because they think, but it's raw fish. But it gets cooked. It gets cooked naturally. So we just put in about 2 cups of citrus juice from limes, oranges, and lemons. And we mixed it up. We added about a cup of finely diced red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, as well as, what was the other thing we put in it?
Red pepper.
Bell pepper. Very good. And you could choose your color. Again, it's rainbow ceviche, so go for the colorful stuff. And you just mix it all up with a nice pinch of salt. Mix it up, cover it, and we put it in the fridge for 2 hours. And it's good to check on it. Turn it with the spoon or spatula to make sure it's getting evenly coated in the juice. And while it's in there, we're going to go ahead and chop up 2 nice sized Roma tomatoes. We're going to do half cucumber, and we're going to chop up our cilantro so that when it comes out, we're ready to go to the next step. Awesome. So it's going to be in there for about 30 minutes so all the flavors get together and get all delicious. And when it comes out, we're going to be adding a nice little swiggy of good olive oil, good for the heart. And we're going to be mixing that up, maybe adding some salt to taste, serving it in some bowls, and garnishing it with whatever you like. We have avocado, mango, if you have serrano, anything that floats your boat, and you can enjoy it with a good tostada. Really good. So yeah, we just added the little bit of olive oil, mixed it up, served it, and we added a topping of mango and your avocado. And if you like it spicy, you can put a sprinkling of serrano. And we enjoy ours with some good santita chips, some tostadas or baked tostadas.
Tortilla chips.
Tortilla chips, yes, of your preference. And this is our rainbow ceviche, and our family we enjoy enjoying it together.
Thank you all so much for having us. We hope you all try the ceviche. I personally love it, and Julissa always says it's easy to make. I believe her. So thank you all so much. Thank you again, Rio Grande Valley Diabetes Association, and Happy Healthy Valley.
Well, I'd like to thank Jerry and Julissa for preparing this delicious rainbow ceviche. Please tune in for the next Cooking with the Stars segment, and remember to follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you so much.